Hi, I'm here to talk about the Moultrie NXT Hunter replacement motor. I specifically like this one. Whenever your motor goes out, or if you have another container, you can simply take this, get the attachment that comes with it, pop it into any barrel, and then it hooks on with 3 tabs. So it's pretty cool. That's really neat about it. So yeah, you take your battery, you put it in there, and your alligator clips go on to black is negative and red is positive. So I'm gonna hook this up and we're gonna watch it work with my feeder. Really like this because it clips right into, or once I get it installed, I'll show you that first. Pops in like that. So if you have to replace it, not a big deal. So program current time is 7:05. There we go. 4, 3, 2, 1. Look at here. You come right here, this switch right here. You can turn that varmint bar on. You want to touch that real quick, babe?
Nope. Don't do it.
I just can't do it.
Real quick, before you go, if you have watched this video and decided that this product is a good fit for what you're looking for, be sure to check the description below and you will find a link that will direct you straight to the product. All right, bye.